Hi, my name is Richard Karambokas, and today I'll be showing you how to install Windows Server 2008. Now, in order to install this system, you must have a software called Oracle VirtualBox Manager. And you can download this by simply going on your Google, typing in the word Sun VirtualBox, and selecting the first web page that you see. But as you can see, I already have it already, so I will just skip to the installation of Windows Server 2008. You begin by selecting New, and here you will type the name of the system that you want to install. You will leave the type and version as it is, because it will set based on the name that you have typed, and select Next. Memory size, unless you are running at least 8 gigabytes of RAM, you will have to adjust this to suit. But I would strongly recommend that if you don't have at least 8 gigs of RAM, you get more, because this tends to take a lot of memory. You select Next. Here you have to create a virtual hard disk. It's already selected, so you select Create. Then the type of file will be a VirtualBox disk image, which is already selected, so you select Next. And the storage on physical hard disk, you use dynamically allocated and select Next. And as you can see, Windows Server 2008 is here, but it's powered off. Now before you could go into installing this, you have to go into Settings and just do a few minor things. You first go on System, you would unselect floppy disk and place it at the bottom of your boot order. You select OK, then you go in Settings again, go in Storage, select the storage. You'll see under Storage tree the option Empty, and Attributes, where it says SATA port 1, you select the image of the disk. This is where you choose your virtual optical disk file. So you select that, and it is Windows Server 2008. Select Open, then you select OK. And now you're ready to go into the installation of Windows Server 2008. So I'll double click this. Right, and as you can see, it's popping up. Okay, now the first box will appear, will ask you to adjust the language to install, time and currency, keyboard or input method. And I will just select Next because I want those to remain as they are. Then you'll see the button saying Install Now. You click that, and you will start to begin the installation process. Okay, at this point you have to select the operating system you want to install. So I'll go ahead and select Windows Server 2008 Enterprise, full installation, and click Next. License terms, you select I accept the license terms and click Next. And here you'll select Custom Advanced. Okay, at this point here you will be required to create a partition. You do this by selecting disk 0 on unallocated space, then clicking Drive Options, select New, and you will adjust the size to suit and click Apply. Right, this 0 partition 1, that's your primary, and you will select Next. Now the Windows will take a while to install, so you could go and do something else because this will really take a while. Okay, now that this long process is done, the Windows will restart. And you'll just wait for it to restart, right? And this may also take a while, so we'll just have to wait on that. Okay, now that that's done, just wait for the complete installation. Okay, it's supposed to start up now. Installation is almost complete at this point. Alright, at this point you'll be greeted with this stating that your password must be changed. So you select OK. Key things to note: this password must have at least a capital letter, a symbol, and a number. I created my password, then you select the arrow, and it will say your password has been changed. Okay, and you'll see the page come up, Windows Server 2008. But you're not done yet though, you still have a few minor things to do. Right, this page will come up, and all you're doing is setting the time zone and providing a domain name, a computer name I mean. And based on where you are, you will select the time zone that is suitable for you. Select OK, and provide a computer name and domain. I'll just call it Windows Server 2008. Select OK, and at this point you don't interfere with anything else, so you could X off this. Right, and another server manager will come up, but you don't have to do anything here, so you can X that out. And that is the installation of Windows Server 2008. Well, this will come up, but it shouldn't take long. And after that, you're free to close off. So you just select shut down, and this comment box could come in, so you could type in whatever you want and press OK. And that was the installation of Windows Server 2008.